Good morning, my child. Are you not getting late for school?
Good morning, Grandma. I am ready, but I am very worried.
Why are you worried, dear?
Today I have an English test.
Oh, I see. What is the test about?
The test is about phrasal verbs. I do not understand them at all.
Why do you feel like that?
They are very confusing. I do not remember them, and I feel scared.
Don't worry, my child. I am here to help you.
Really, Grandma?
Yes, come on, let us go to school together.
But how will that help me?
While we go to school, we will see things around us and learn phrasal verbs using those things.
Learn by seeing things?
Yes. For example, when you wake up in the morning, you get up.
Oh, get up means wake up.
Yes, very good. Now, wear your shoes and put on your bag.
Put on means to wear. I understand.
Excellent.
Now I am ready, Grandma. Let's go and learn more phrasal verbs on the way.
That's the spirit. Let's walk. Okay, my child. Look, the bus is coming. Please stand back.
Stand back means move away a little, right?
Yes, very good. Now the bus has stopped.
Grandma, many children are getting on the bus.
Excellent. Get on means enter the bus.
And some children are getting off the bus.
Very nice. Get off means leave the bus.
Grandma, I like learning like this.
See, learning can be easy. Child, please slow down.
Grandma, what does slow down mean?
Slow down means walk or move slowly.
Okay, Grandma.
The traffic light will turn on soon.
Turn on means start working or give light.
Yes, good. Child, look at that blue car. It is moving too fast. What should the driver do?
He should slow down, Grandma. Otherwise, he might hit something.
Correct. Now the light is green. Let's cross over the road.
What does crossover mean?
Crossover means to move from one side to the opposite side.
Oh, okay.
Now, hold on to my hand.
Hold on means hold tightly, right?
Well done. You have learned all the road phrasal verbs. We are here, child. We are at the school gate.
I feel happy now, Grandma. I learned many words while walking.
Good. Now, don't be afraid of the test. Don't let it get to you.
Get to me? You mean, don't be worried?
Yes, don't worry. Just go over the words in your head.
What does go over means?
Go over means to review or check something carefully.
Got it. I will go over everything.
Good boy. And don't forget to hand in your homework when you go inside.
Hand in means give, right?
Yes, give your notebook to the teacher as soon as you enter.
Okay, I will hand in my notebook right away. I feel more confident now.
That's good. Now, the bell is ringing. Go in and do your best.
Bye, Grandma. I'll remember all the phrasal verbs you taught me.
Bye, child. I'll be here to pick you up at 2 o'clock. And after school, we can go to the park together.
Yay, bye, Grandma.